Uh, Hello everyone, it's your boy Fundo. So today I will be analyzing Nasdaq and the stage okay, and I'll add gold and Euro USD. So I'll analyzing the four. So today I have a fit is Sunday for market analysis and to back test and to read your strategy and then to find more things you should implement on your strategy. Sundays are for that. So Buffet, let's go. Let me show you how do I analyze, or let me uh, tell you the update. So what do we have on gold and how do we analyze Nasdaq and how do I analyze actual? So when I analyze, as you know what I do, at first I take out the first point, which is the highest point, and then second the lowest point. So if I have the highest point and my lowest, my current point, which is highest current high and current low. So what I do, and then I check out the zone. Actually, are my zone, the highest point and the low. They are my zone too. So what do I do after that? I add my zones here, and here I add another zone where the market touch and reverses. Places where the market touch and reverse gave us a huge movement. Like this one, the market touch here and decide to reverse. So Buffett, this is are the most important place in the market. And here again, the market wanted touch here, gave us the overall direction, and touch here gave us buys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm done implementing my zone. So after implementing my zones, what I do actually, I go on a daily time frame. Daily time frame, what I do, I check out the structure on a daily time frame. So I'm gonna check my structure. So my structure consists of support and resistance, which is my structure. And the one thing about the structure is very important. I'll emphasize that every video I'm doing, I'll emphasize the importance of taking the market structure. So when I take the market structure, I implement my support. So my support is here, and then my resistance is here. So as you can see, my structure, the market, it has been respecting the structure for a while since October Monday, October 30, the structure was respected, and come again here on 8 August the structure was respected. And then here on my zone, this is very important zone. My zone on 30 May, it was respected, and come here on 10 September it respected the same zone, which is the zone is this zone is strong. So Buffet, let's push on. This is my structure I have right now. So as I'm having my structure, I'm done doing what, taking out the structure. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to 4 hour time frame. On a 4 hour time frame, what do I implement? On a 4 hour time frame, I check a trend where the market is trending and the chain also. So as you can see, Buffet, our chain, we have above buy from the daily time frame structure. As you can see, what was happening in the market. The market, it should finish the chain, should finish the chain of buys. So, please, if it touches our strongest, our first current point, which is this zone, that's where it's gonna finish a chain, or it may break and touch our support. But anyways, uh, this zone might be respected. Let me check out this one, highlight this one, cause, and then I go on a 4 hour time frame. As on a 4 hour time frame, as you can see, and I'm not forgetting that on my mind I still have a Jane of what Jane buys Jane. So we are on a buys Jane. See Jane about buys Bafethu. Don't forget that, it's very important. And then what I do again here, this is my price, and then I check out the structure again here, which is the market has what trends in trend. I check out the trend in trend and structure again on 4 hour time frame, because the daily time frame is the overall structure of the market. And then when I go to 4 hour time frame, the market has another structure, which is 4 hours candlesticks. So what I do, I check out the structure, which is trend and trend. So the market is still trending here. So as you can see, Buffet, we are up here, and here we've been consolidating. So I check out this point, because this point I have been consolidating, failing to break to the downside. And then here I'm gonna take this point. This point is very important, Buffet, too. because it has been respected several times. This point might break this point and get above buys and touch our what our strongest zone, which is here, and then our chain will be finished. After the chain, that's where we should have a probabilistic mindset to implement, so that you can think in probabilities. Not like as I'm analyzing, I know what is next, but I predict what is next. There are probability, which what I've been predicted can be followed or not. So I'm dealing with probability. Don't forget that, guys, as you are a trader, which is in a probability. That's why it's very important to implement risk management. So, guys, I'm done. I think I'm done analyzing my Nasdaq. So, as you can see on Nasdaq, on Monday we're gonna try to take about sales opportunity as our structures like this, because we are here touched our resistance has been touched and had been respected previously. It gave us our sales to here, and then when we touch again what our support gave us about buy here. So as the rules of the market, we buy low, we sell high. You know the guys. The most important rule in the market, you buy low, you sell high. As you can see, Buffett, you are on a high, so the structure might be respected, and the market comes here. Yeah. So Buffett, this is what I predict. And then there are still probabilities. The market could break and touch our our support here, strongest support here of a higher structure. So this is what I have. If the market breaks this point, gonna come here. So I'm done with Nasdaq. So let me check on an hour time frame. What do I have on an hour time frame? As you can see, I still have a point where the market might reverse. I can say this one is my first take profit point, the red one, the fourth one, because at the end of the day, it's very important in the market to take profit. So let me jump to US30. Let me jump to US30. So Bafetu, I don't think I'll add Euro USD. Let me jump quickly to US30. So as you can see on US30, what we have previously. Previously on US30, uh, as you can see, we are having a structure and what trends. So our structure, it was an upturn structure, but on an upturn structure, oh, this is gold. I'm sorry about that, Buffett. I made a mistake. Let me go to his data, but I can say I missed the concept. How come? Because we are on an uptrend on Nasdaq, but this thing Nasdaq and US are correlated. They move on a similar direction, but the first one, like Nasdaq gonna move first and US follow. Sometimes Nasdaq move first, then US follow. Like they change. They're not consistently moving the same direction on the same time, but they take a same direction. So as you can see, what we have on Nasdaq on 4 hour, we have an uptrend on an uptrend. So we are facing what our chain of above buys. So our chain right now is not finished. Our chain will be finished when we charge our resistance. So if we charge our resistance, that's where the chain will end. So I don't think I'm gonna analyze USD because the analysis are already there. You know how to analyze, how I implement. So this is what we have. We might have a reversal, but our chain is here. But we break the structure. As we break the structure, we focus where that's where we focus about buy. But in order to be in a safe place or in a safe position, the market should touch something before you buy or sell. Make sure that to add that on your trading strategy, with the market should touch something or break something before you sell or buy. So Bafetu, let me go to gold because I don't want this video to be long, to be boring. So that's why I didn't analyze USDT. I check out what it was having. So the thing I'll analyze is gold actually because the gold has been buying for a while. So as gold is doing like this, let me delete everything. So as you know, we start on a weekly time frame, and on a weekly time frame, what do we do when we start? We delete everything. So we take out our current high and our current low. This is my current high, and then where is my current low? Let me take this one as my current low. This one is my zone where the market touch and reverse. Places where the market touch and reverse. Simple buffet, the places where the market touch and reverse. So can you please like and subscribe, guys? Don't forget to motivate me to keep doing more videos so that I can be motivated. As you can see, the market has been consolidating from here until here until here, but here it gained the momentum. That's where it breaks and gave us a high. So let me go to the daily time frame to check out the structure. As I can see, the structure, we are on an uptrend. On an uptrend, what do we do and how do I implement? So I'll try to implement what on an uptrend. This is my resistance. This is my resistance. I implement my, and then let me implement my support again here. So this is my support and my resistance. And don't forget, the support and resistance consist of two touch to three touches. If your support and resistance consist of two touch and three touches, is valid resistance. It's not one but two or more. Yeah, so this is what I have. So I'm gonna implement what my zones where the market touch and reverse, show that in future these places can be touch and reverse or can break. Before we break our zone, you know our rule. Before we break a zone, we retest the zone before we break. So as you can see here, we are having what, a market consolidation. The market has been consolidating here. The market has been consolidating. Let me put on a higher zone, and what I have here, check this rectangle. So as you can see on gold, what he has been doing, the gold, yet it didn't touch our our major zones. uh, if the gold on Monday, gold can come here to touch our major zone, but on gold, last time I analyzed gold, I was having an downtrend like this, consist of 2 points. So as you can see, we're having a structure like this, which is trends in trends, and this was what, a downtrend, change of color. Yeah, this is my downtrend. So the gold is doing what, it closes below my resistance. So if it closes below, it's gonna break and touch here. If we touch here, that's where you're gonna expect double sell. But when the market opens on Monday, you should expect double buy, or double sales can continue. That's why I should say, if they are not convincing though, if it's like this, because this is my third touch. The market, I feel like here it rejected double buys. So we check out the structure like this. So if we break, but we're gonna touch here and give us our sell. So on Monday, guys, when the market opens, make sure you sell. You sell what, gold. And then it's very important to know when to enter the market. Don't just analyze and see your trading. You got the right direction, but wait for the momentum in the market so that you can cut more pips. So what do we have on gold? We are having our sell like this. So two things will be looking on gold. As the gold is like this, we might get our sell, but the gold might break and touch this point. But what we do, we're gonna check for ourselves on Monday. So shout out, guys. So signing out. So guys, can you please like and subscribe and comment what should I add on my analysis? Perfect. Can you please like and subscribe? Your support will be highly appreciated. Signing out.